76.3 grams of sodium iodide, 545 grams of water, together making 576 milliliters. What's the mole fraction of NaI? Well, the mole fraction of something is how many moles of that something you have divided by the total number of moles in the thing that the thing is in. Does that make sense? How do you find the number of moles? Well, my good friend chemistry says it's mass divided by molar mass. 76.3 grams of NaI. And my good friend Google tells me that the molar mass of sodium iodide is 149.89. That right there is the number of moles of NaI. Divided by, again, the number of moles of NaI plus the number of moles of water, because now you got to account for the fact that it's a mixture. This is the number of moles of everything, NaI and water included. 545 grams of water divided by the molar mass of water. Don't forget to solve for the top and bottom individually, then plug it in. Let's do this. 76.3 divided by 149.89. Turns out I've got 0.509 moles of NaI. So the total number of moles I have in my solution is that plus the number of moles of water that I have. 30.24. Well, I guess it makes sense that there's a lot more water. Water weighs less, and we have a lot more grams of it, so it's just the way it goes. Now we need to figure out what this number is. 0.509 divided by 0.509 plus 30.24. I get the mole fraction to be 0.0166. Or I suppose you could say it's 1.7% of all the particles inside this mixture. Now, they asked for the mole fraction of NaI, so you needed the number of moles of NaI. Done. If they were asking for the mole fraction of water, I would have considered the fact that when NaI is actually dissolved in water, it probably breaks into two separate ions. And so if I had the moles of water on top here, trying to find the mole fraction of water, I would have taken this number and multiplied by 2, because I'm getting 2 ions for every 1 NaI that I'm putting in. It didn't play a role here because they were asking for the mole fraction of the original crystal, and the original crystal is one of the NaIs. It's not breaking up. We're assuming it's not breaking apart if they're asking for the mole fraction of it. Just a little note. When you're doing mole fractions and you're looking for total number of particles, often you'll have to consider that this breaks up into ions. Anyways, this question went awesomely quick. Hope it went quick for you. Best of luck.